Okay, here we are. Lesson 2, Solidworks. Opening it, and I want a new document. I want a part. You should be watching this and trying at the same time. What I want to do, I'm going to get rid of this. I want to make a keychain. I'm going to make an ellipse, and you could use any shape you want. I'm going to go front plane because that's what we told you to do. And I want to see it from the front, so I'm going up here and clicking front. And I'm going to start at the middle here, click, drag, click, and then make my ellipse as tall or as long as I want. I'll make it like that. I'm going to dimension it from the center to the edge, giving me a radius. I want my whole thing to be no more than 3 inches. So I'm going to make the radius, which is half, 1.5. Alright. Now I'm going to make it 3D. Go to Features. Go to Extruded Boss Base. And boom, it wants to make it 3D already, but it's making it real thin. We want it about 1/8 inch. So I'm going to 1/8, enter, and it did it. So I hit the check mark, and it's done. It's in 3D. Look at it all around. Very pretty, very nice. You made that. Okay, I'm going to go back to View and Front, and it pulls it right into place. I'm going to go to Sketch because I want to make a hole for a chain. Click Circle, and I'm going to do it by eye. I'm going to line up right from here, back a little bit, click, click, and drag. I want that circle to be about 1/8 inch also. So I'm going to go to Dimension, click the outside. That'll give me the radius across, and 1/8 is a perfect length, perfect size. I'm telling you that. You don't have to figure it out. Then you go to Features. This time we're not going to extrude, we're going to extrude cut. And over here where it says blind, I'm going to change that to through. That makes sure however thick it is, it goes all the way through. Okay, boom. You're halfway there, or something like that, whatever. You're getting there, and it looks good. Now, you could put text on it, but the challenge that we're giving you is to draw the text. So for me, it's pretty easy. My name's Tim. I'm going to start with a click to show that I want to draw this rectangle on this side. I'm going to click, hold the button down, and drag it, and let go. That looks to be a good size. It's in proportion. So I'm going to dimension, and I want to see how big this is. That's 1.5. I think I'm going to make it 1.4. Oops. Did that wrong. 0.14. Just to make it easy on myself when I do other things. 0.77. I'm going to leave that. Maybe I'll make it even 0.77. And now I'm going to take another rectangle and line it up with there. Try and make it look even, although this side's a little longer. I want this edge to be the same length as this edge. So I'm going to go up to Smart Dimension. Click this edge, bring it out, give it another click, and make it 0.14. It's a very small difference, but now I need to check this dimension from here to here, so I'm going to click the side and click the corner. That tells me how much from the side to there, 0.45. Now I'm just going to need to remember that I'm not going to click. If you click, undo it. 0.45. I escaped it. And I'm going to escape again. Now I'm going to click this side and this corner, and that's 0.37. The other one was 0.45. Let me try 0.41. That's right in the middle. I like that. I'm going to leave that. Now at this point, I'd probably draw another rectangle and then work on the M, which would be really tough. For the T, though, I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to bore you with drawing the other letters. You can do all that. For the T, I'm going to click Features, Extrude. I'm going to do this two ways. First, I'm going to raise the letters. And I got to click what I want, because I don't want to extrude that. I don't want to make that bigger. I'll make this bigger and this bigger. And I probably want to make them 1/16 raised, because I don't want to make them super duper high. And check mark. And there you can see they're raised letters. Now I can also do them a different way. Let me undo. If I go Features and go Extrude Cut and click this one and this one, I could go through the whole thing. I could go a little bit. Let me go a little bit, and then you could see it's like an indent of the letters, or you can make them the whole. At this point, you could do one letter at a time. You could do all the letters and then emboss them, which is raise them, or put them down. Choice is yours. You don't have to do an oval. You can do a different shape, but it can't be too big. At this point, we're going to let you guys go and explore a little bit, and hopefully that wasn't too boring for you. Oh, always save it as your name, Keychain. And there you go.